Netflix sold off again, and I'm entering another poor man's covered call. Not because I'm averaging down blindly, but because the setup actually improved. The key question isn't why did it drop? It's whether anything fundamentally broke. I'm going to cover that in this video, and I'm going to show you the exact trade that I'm putting on. Be sure and smash that like button down below. I really appreciate it, and it helps out the channel a lot. You're certainly welcome to subscribe as well and join the free Discord now, completely free for life. If you join now, there will be a monthly subscription price at some point coming up soon. So get in now. I share all my trades that I make daily. There's a great community where we all profit together and chat about trades. And there's even a free coaching section where you can enter your questions and I answer them almost immediately. So what is the market really pricing in with regards to Netflix? Well, the headline was an earnings miss, but the miss came from a one-time Brazilian tax charge, not operations. Strip that out and Netflix grew revenue 17% year over year. They posted record engagement and delivered their best ad sales quarter ever. So why is the stock still weak? Well, because markets don't sell numbers, they sell confidence. And that surprise charge cracked sentiment. Why does sentiment matter more than fundamentals in the short term with Wall Street and the analyst? Well, when a premium multiple stock disappoints, investors question forecast reliability. Funds de-risk and momentum flips. Nothing structurally broke, but positioning and psychology did. That's where options structures, they really shine, and we can make a lot of profits. Why does a poor man's covered call make a lot of sense right here? Well, that's the trade I'm putting on, and I'll show you coming up. This is not a stock-only environment. Volatility expanded, time decay is elevated, and price is still within a longer-term uptrend. A poor man's covered call lets you stay long the thesis if you're bullish and reduce capital outlay. So it's super capital efficient. And you can sell calls against fear, not euphoria. And we can collect that monthly income. If Netflix chops, I get paid on that short call. And if it recovers, I participate with the leverage of the long leaps option. That's asymmetric. And why am I adding right now to my position and not waiting? Well, here's the mistake that most traders make. They wait for clarity. By the time clarity returns, IV collapses, premiums shrink, and the price already moved. I'd rather structure risk when sentiment is broken, not repaired. This isn't doubling down emotionally, it's scaling into a dislocated position. And what would change my mind to where I wouldn't put the trade on right now? Well, I'm not blindly bullish. I would reassess if ad tier momentum stalls, engagement rolls over, margins compress structurally, regulatory costs become recurring, but none of that's going on right now. And it's not happening. And I don't think it will happen anytime soon. Let me know in the comments below what you think. One more thing, and then I'll jump on the platform and show you the trade. Now, how does this fit my broader portfolio strategy? Well, this is the same framework I always use. Identify the damage, confirm fundamentals are intact, and deploy capital efficient structures. That's exactly what the poor man covered call is about. It's not about prediction, it's about positioning. All right, guys, here we are on the Tasty Trade trading platform and brokerage. My favorite for trading options, extremely intuitive, easy to use, and it definitely is the best, I think, for trading options. There's a link down below. Check it out. Go through my link. There's some benefits if you do. So Netflix, we punch in right up here in the left. You can see the position that I have on already. I've got a leaps option in December, and so 343 days to expiration, and then a short call that I sold against it. And I love it. Today it's down 2.15%. Perfect time to put on a poor man's covered call. And I'm just going to add to my position, but I'm going to do a slightly different date, and I'll show you why. All right. So I'm in December here, 343, but we can go out to January, 371. So even a little further out. I like to go around a year out, but there's not much difference in the cost between these two. So let's first open up the 343. And then we'll go right at this. Actually, you know what? It's at 88 right now. Wow. Let's go to the January and I'll show you. All right. If we got, I may go to the night. Nah, I'll go, geez, 85? Yeah, it moved up. You know what? I'm just going to go to 88. I'm going to go, let's go 87. That looks good. 60. Now, if we go to 87 and you see the mid price is $16.30, but if we go back 343, it's 1510. You know what? I'm going to go this is a much better price, 343. So it's quite a bit better. So I'm gonna change my strategy here, and I'm gonna go to the 343. I'm gonna go 87. So right at the 60 delta. Actually, I can go to 85 and do that for 16 bucks, 16.15. So what I love about this is you can control 100 shares of stock with the one option contract, one leaps option right here that controls 100 shares of stock. So 1615 times 100 is $1,615. But if we were to buy Netflix outright, it's $88 per share. So that's $8,800 for 100 shares. So much, much less to control the same number of shares. Now, what we can do against this is sell a short call. And I do that pretty much with all my leaps that I put on, unless there's just no premium in them. But I like to go out closest to 45 days, 30 to 45 days. So we're going to go to the 42 days February, and I'm going to sell an out of the money call. So calls are on the left, puts are on the right. Before that, let me show you real quick on the curve mode. This is what I love about Tasty Trade. You can see the profit zone, but if we go analysis, you can see as well the profit zone. As the stock price increases, we make money and it increases just like owning the stock outright. So let's go back to the table mode. And we're in February again. So we went on February, 42 days to expiration. And we're going to go out of the money. Calls on the left. I want to collect, we can pay this off. If we go, we're at 88. I could go all the way up to the 20 to the 98 strike and collect almost $2, $1.91. Or I could go 96. Do I want to go 96 or 98? Eesh. Let's go for 40 cents more. You know what? Let's go 96. So we're going to go a little more aggressive. Now watch, when I click on this to sell it, the 238 is $238. It's going to subtract from the cost of this leaps option. So it's going to bring it down by a couple $100. So we should be in the 14 or the high 13s. Let's see, 96. Boom. $13.77. And we can do this and collect the $200 every single month. So we can pay this off basically in about 6 months. We can pay off the cost of the leaps option and control 100 shares for free, theoretically, outright. So that's what I like to do. I'm actually going to place this trade right now. Let's see if we get filled or if we have to adjust it a little. We got filled. All right, guys. Netflix didn't break, but sentiment did for the short term. So, hey, let's take advantage of it and all profit together. And if this video helped, go ahead and comment down below. Structure is greater than direction. Remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below if you have not already, and join the free Discord, free for life. If you join now, there will be a monthly charge at some point, so get in now. You can see all the trades that I put on daily. I break down the trade structure, why I like it, the catalyst, and even a snapshot of the actual trade that I put on. And then we can share our gains and wins together, and the community members share their trades. So thank you, Majuro, Joaquin. We've got a chat where we can talk about trades. So Alex, thank you for the comments. And then we've got questions. This is the area where you can enter a question and I respond almost immediately. So it's kind of like free coaching. All right. Remember, also, there's an options free workshop, options trading workshop down below as well in the comments, and a free options trading course. If you like this video, be sure and watch this next one.